Hello YouTubers, Manny here with Manny's How To Workshop, and with an update on the Ryobi 14.4 volt old battery that I revived and put on the charger to get recharged. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what the voltage is after it was recharged. As you can see, it's 13.96 volts, and the battery is still a little warm. On a 14.4 volts, that should still be enough power to run this test that I'm going to run here with these different types of screws. So I'm going to go ahead and load it up. Let me pull back so that you can actually see me driving the screws with my old drill and some test screws. So what I have here is, I haven't pre-drilled the wood, so that way it's a fair test, okay, of actually how strong the battery is after all these years of not being charged. So what I have, the first screw is a drywall 1-inch screw. Next one is also a drywall 1 1/4-inch screw, more coarse. This one is fine thread. I have an exterior 1 5/8 screw, all Phillips head. And then I have two 1/4-inch head self drilling screws. This one is, I believe, 1 inch. Yeah, 1 1/4. This one is, and this one here is like 2.5 inch. So, and I'm using the number 2 setting on the drill, and the torque is at 10. So I'm going to see just how well that does it. And actually I should probably use number 1 setting. That's actually slower, but I'll go ahead and use number 2 setting just to see how fast it does it. Alright, here we go. Here's the first one. Go ahead and put these over here, like so. So the first screw, there it goes. Whoa, nice. Alright, here's the second screw. Alright, there's the third one, 1 5/8. Alright, now I'm going to switch over bits to the 1/4-inch drive real quick. Alright, and that's the cell tamper right there. Oh, that was quick. And then the 2 1/4, 2 1/3-inch cell tapper right there. Actually, this screw is going to go right through, so I might have to, oh, what the hell, it's just going to make a hole on my platform here. That's fine. So I'm going to go ahead and drive it the rest of the way. On number 10, if not, I'll have to torque it up higher to be able to drive it the rest of the way because it's a long screw. Yep. Let's go to 16. Alright. So, obviously that's a long screw, and it's on 16, and I think it hit its limit. It didn't go through yet, but as you can see, yep, it stops right there. Let's see if I go to 20, or the drill setting. Let's actually back off to 23. Torque on that. See what it does. Nope. That's it. Alright, let's put it on the reverse and see if it will bring it back. There we go. And the other one. Alright. Switch bits. Again. to the Phillips head and back off the other ones. Alright. Well, there you have it, guys. After 5+ years of not charging this Ryobi 14.4 volt battery and reviving it with the power supply, I was able to recharge it and bring it back to life. So what I'm going to do is keep using it and run it down until I can't screw in the smallest screw again, and then recharge it. And hopefully over time that'll help to give it back some life that it lost. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks, guys.